Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the YouTube video and turning subtitles on. This lets you see text in real time. Once done, choose the caption type, auto-generated or uploaded, because accuracy differs. Make sure you have a text editor or notes app ready to receive copied text. If captions are hidden behind a transcript option, you'll use that next. Don't waste time tweaking playback yet. Begin by locating the CC menu and the three-dot options under the video for transcript access. Once you click the three-dot menu and select Show Transcript, you'll see timestamped lines beside the video. This is the raw text source. You should change language if needed, because transcripts follow that selection. To copy, click and drag across the lines you want, then press Ctrl+C or Command+C. That keeps timestamps unless you exclude them. If the transcript auto-hides, pause the video and expand the transcript pane, and then copy in manageable chunks to avoid missed text. You now paste the copied transcript into a text editor and immediately remove timestamps using Find and Replace, which speeds cleanup. Make sure to correct punctuation and capitalization. You can use simple scripts or online batch tools to normalize formatting if there's a lot. Save the file with a clear name and backup copy. If Show Transcript is unavailable or captions are blocked, try a reputable browser extension or the video's CC download option. If those fail, record short segments and transcribe them manually as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.